It's 7 p.m. in Shimla, September. The day's slipping away, but the sky, oh, it's still putting on a show. And let's not forget the mist. It's here, rolling in like it's fashionably late to the party, covering everything in a soft, ghostly glow. At this hour, Shimla's got a different vibe. The rain's long gone, but the air is still thick with that cool, earthy scent of fresh drizzle. You can almost feel it through the screen, crisp and refreshing, like someone cranked up the AC on nature's finest setting. You'd think the sun would have called it a night by now, but nope, instead, we get these dramatic orange clouds, like nature's own twilight special. Now that we're losing light fast, Shimla's starting to light up in a whole new way. It's not the kind of bright city lights you see in big cities, though. No, it's softer here, more subtle. That's Shimla's call. Look at those lights, sparkling like diamonds on a necklace, delicately draped around the neck of the hills. Each light twinkles, a little gem set against the dark, misty backdrop, as if the mountains themselves decided to dress up for the night. It's like nature's own jewelry display, and Shimla wears it with effortless grace. Little pockets of warmth in an otherwise misty, cool night. You know, it almost feels like Shimla's tucking itself in for the evening. A few lights on here, a little mist there, and a whole lot of quiet.